Hello, it's Darren from JD Gallagher Estate Agents, and today I am at a lovely detached property situated in Halton on Colougha Avenue. Once inside, this home offers much more space than you would first expect, and let me tell you why. Currently I am in the living room, which has the open fire just there, as you'll see, and there's also two further reception rooms which are used as another sitting room and dining room at present, but could very easily be turned into two extra double bedrooms, one facing to the front and one looking out to the rear garden if needed. Also to the ground floor there is a modern kitchen with a range of built-in appliances. On top of that there is a separate utility room, which in itself is a fantastic size. There's then a study room, a sauna area with its own shower complete with WC, and then obviously the bathroom for all to use. Up on the first floor there's two further double bedrooms which both offer fantastic views of their own, which could, if you turn the downstairs reception rooms into bedrooms, then offer you four generous sized double bedrooms very easily with not much work to change if you need the extra space. Externally there's well maintained gardens to both the front and the rear, and the driveway leads you up to a garage which offers both power and light. So why don't we have a look at a few of the photographs, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about where Colougha Avenue itself is situated and what's close by. So now you've had a chance to have a look at a few of the photographs this home has to offer, how's about I tell you just a little bit more about the property itself and where we're actually situated. Colougha Avenue just here is located in the popular village of Halton, which is just north of Lancaster city centre and forms part of the Lune Valley. Halton itself offers a wide variety of amenities, including a local doctor's surgery. There's a convenience store which sells daily newspapers, and you can get a few bits and pieces from there without having to make the short trip into Lancaster city centre. On top of that there's also a butcher's and a popular fish and chip shop. If you have small children, just off the high road on Pennystone Road there's also a very popular primary school. Only a short distance away from this house itself you can gain access onto the river banks and enjoy very pleasing countryside walks, or from there there's a cycle track which takes you into the city of Lancaster itself. If you would like any more information about the area, hopefully we should have the answers. My grandparents actually used to live here, and Cassie, who works for us, also grew up in the village of Halton, so it's a really good spot and we should have the answers to any questions you may well have. If you'd like a look around, we have the keys and the property is now vacant, so please give me a call. You can do so on 01524 84 3322, or send me an email. My name is Darren at jdg.co.uk, or if you're in Lancaster, feel free to pop in, have a chat. We'll print you a brochure off and go through absolutely everything with you, including going through the floor plan that we've got. So we look forward to seeing you, and as I say, any questions, feel free to let us know. Take care, bye bye.